Drowning in growing data workloads on Snowflake with no expert to call? Soaring computer cost, sluggish performance, inefficient architectures. This isn't scalable. This isn't cost effective. Introducing Snowflake Support by KSolves, where you get cost optimization and query tuning, scalable architecture and migration, backup, recovery, and smooth upgrades, Streamlit and Arctic Cortex integration, 24/7 monitoring and SLA response, with certified experts who secure and give compliance services, enterprise-grade support, cloud-native precision, trusted by leaders in healthcare, fintech, retail, by avoiding rising cost and data delays.